Okay, we're going to solve this square root equation. We have 3 times square root of 4x minus 1, and that's equal to negative 15. Here we have 3 times, right? So let's divide both sides by 3. And we will have the square root by itself, square root of 4x minus 1. And this is equal to negative 15 over 3, which is negative 5. And now, here's the question for you guys. Do we even need to continue from here? No, we don't. Because when we have a square root, and that's equal to a negative number, we know this right here has no solution, okay? So right here, in fact, we can just stop. And here is just a note for you guys. Whenever we have the equation, okay, square root and whatever you have inside, if this is equal to a negative number, this right here has no solution, okay? Whenever the right-hand side is equal to a negative number, once you have the square root isolated on the other side, this equation has no solution. So of course, we don't even have to continue. The answer to this is just no solution. And if you do want to square both sides and then just get the x by itself and things like that, I will show you the work as well, don't worry. I will convince you guys that this doesn't have any solution, okay? So, if you do want to do the work, you will see this is square root of 4x minus 1 equals to negative 5. Okay, square both sides so that this and that cancel out, and then you get 4x minus 1, and that's equal to negative 5 square, we get positive 25. And then from here, you add 1 on both sides. And then this is 4x equals to 26. And then divide both sides by 4. Cancel this out. You can use fraction, you can use decimal. Let me use decimal because this ends. 26 divided by 4, it's 6.5. Okay? But if you plug in this back to the original, you see, here is just a quick check, okay? Plugging back, you get 3 times the square root of 4 times 6.5 minus 1, and is that going to give us negative 15? Well, we see that this is just 3 times. This times this is 26, and then minus 1 you have 25, so you have square root of 25 altogether, okay? And this is 5 times that. This is not equal to negative 15. So as you can see right here, this right here is actually not a correct answer, okay? So even though you want to do the work, this is just a fake answer. But here is the deal for that. Anyway, that's it.